Okay. And I always tell one more thing: never come close to any of the coffee plants. I don't want to scare anyone, but always snakes take a rotation to the coffee bark and they always take rest there. So don't just simply put your hand inside because it is fun, but when the risk comes, it is literally upon us. So we always inform people to have a, you have to take care of yourself. A lot of snakes.
చల్లగా ఉంటుంది కదా
हर चीज है, कोबरा है, पानी का है, हर चीज है. Okay, so your safety is in your hand. Okay, please be aware while touching any of the plants. Yes, that awareness is very important. I don't want to panic anyone, but that is the truth. Okay, so all can see some buds here. Okay, so I'll tell you how it is. In the month of February, beginning from January 1st until February, we harvest the coffee beans. And then again, in the month of April or May, the new flowering starts. Okay, flower जो है वो अपने आप से आता है और अपने आप से मुरझाता है, and it is a matter of 15 days only. So जब flower आता है, then the rain shouldn't come. I mean the rain that we had yesterday or day before yesterday or in the last week was actually not right for a coffee plant when the flower is there. Okay, so flower I can just pick some here. You all can see. So this is actually white in color, okay? And when the flowers are there on the plant, it literally gives out jasmine aroma for about 1 week or 1.5 weeks. You can literally smell that while even passing from the road. So it is so rich in aroma, okay? So then, agar ab barish aa gaya, to flowers are forcefully, fallen down. So for that reason, what happens is the seed. See, once the flower is come, it is a pakka coffee bean, okay? Pakka coffee bean will come, only then the flower will come. First forms the bud, and on the top of bud is the flower, okay? So when such rain comes, the bean size will be compromised. Either the bigger bean will come or the smaller bean will come. We as the coffee planters, we don't mind about the bean size because cultivating and harvesting and drying those beans itself is a very big task for us. So further companies like Nescafe or Brew or any other companies will further